It's a section 59 warning in the police's format.
How are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now today you join me in High Wycombe for Cruise Crew Meet. Now it's currently 7 PM. This meet starts in an hour's time. We got here very early to film the cars arriving, but there's actually a very high police presence already. So the meet starts in an hour's time. We have undercovers there, we have one there, we also have one at the entrance, and then we have a guy on a motorbike too. Where is he going? Oh no. Where's he going? So yeah, like I said, this meet is supposed to start in an hour's time and there's already pretty much 4 or 5 police cars here, so it's definitely gonna be changed locations very soon. But we're gonna sit in the car and eat McDonald's because we went there beforehand, and let's see what happens and see if the location gets changed. I said there was one at the entrance. It was actually a car, but there's another van here. Oh, they've actually got out now. Okay. I'm gonna eat McDonald's and film the cars arriving when they do. This would be the police presence so far. There's one car there, there's 2 more over there with some more officers, and there's also a van and a Corsa there as well. So yeah, it's so much police around. They seem pretty cool about it because people are setting up their tents and stuff. So it seems like the admins have asked the police to be here in their presence, but they probably didn't realise that so many were going to show up. You alright? Look at these cars that have just shown up. S14. For the meet? Maybe. An R32 Skyline. Free Skyline. Don't think he's here for the meet. R35 GTR. They're going the wrong way. They're going the wrong way. So most people are coming to the meet, they're seeing the police. There's 2 cars there, police officers there. They're seeing the cars, they're just driving straight past. It's a shame because the police are actually here to like just supervise the meet. So someone has already already been pulled. I think it may be due to no front number plate, potentially, because it drove past very slow, so that could be the only reason. You have a Toyota Chaser. R34 that's shown up. Oh, I need to get a good shot of this. There would be another R33, but this one's actually in red. Look how sick this is. Just look how low it is. How does he get anywhere? The event, see what has shown up and get some pictures for the gram. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, it'll be at the top of the screen now. I really appreciate it. Police car, a bath, police car, police car. It's right in. Selling drinks and food and stuff. There's more police over here.
No, it's not a ticket, it's not a fine. It's basically a slap on the wrist. It's a section 59 warning under the police's format that a vehicle's been used in an antisocial manner, as in making such a noise that creates a crowd. If he does it again, then the car gets taken. It is. I just want to get angry.
So section 59 for, I think, revving their car.
So what, if anyone was tonight, they get to section 59?
Yeah, revving their car, section 59.
You still got to be in accordance to the law.
But there's been loads of people around.
You only get 4,000 votes as well.
Well, the other one wanted to get to 6, he might go bang.
There's going to be section 59 handed out. Anyway, so they was handing a section 59 to the other driver, and then the Golf and the R34 was also revving as well, so I think they've got a section 59 too. Now, I'd understand if it's like a Tesco, but it's literally an industrial estate and no one's around. We have cars pretty much filled up the whole industrial estate. Now, this was empty when we showed up as well. It's crazy how big this meet is. Don't rev, it's not worth the section 59. We're going to head back to the entrance and see what's happening down there, because we've been looking around for a while. I come out at the perfect timing. The struggles. But by far, this is my favourite car here, this yellow S14. It just stands out so much. I'm going to end this video here just because there are a couple of cars leaving now, and that has to be a separate video because this video would just be so long. It'd be like 25 minutes and I could easily just put that into 2 videos. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. If there's anything else happening, I'll put it into this video, so you've already seen it before this outro. But I'm going to end this here, and then I'm also going to do the intro for the leaving video. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.